The Tornador Cleaning Gun. Why I have to have one of these, and perhaps why you will come to the conclusion as to why you have to have one of these. I've got my bucket jockey, my interior cleaning caddy. I'm going to either pick my Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner that is diluted down 10 parts of water to 1 part concentrate. I've got my super degreaser that is diluted down 4-to-1. So here's a spot that the differential of my Denali sits over, and it used to leak before I got it fixed. This section here that's very dramatically clean there, and that little spot there, is when I first got the gun and I wanted to test it out, and this was approximately 2.5 to 3 months ago. So when I'm cleaning anything, I'm going to pre-vacuum the area first. I often will take a scrub brush, like this brush here. I will scrub this first, and then I will vacuum it so that I bring up all the loose dirt and debris first and vacuum that away. I'm going to pre-treat this with the rapid remover. Just like that. And I'm going to scrub it in. And you can see how it already begins to break up that oil. Then I take my super degreaser in this case, and I'm going to follow up immediately with this, and I'm going to scrub the area. Now as I begin to use the tool, the Tornador, call it what you want. So you have, with this dial, you can either shoot straight air or you can inject solution. Now I want to use some solution because I want to rinse away the dirt and the chemicals that are now on the carpeting. So just for kicks, let's see how well this machine, this tool, can actually use on the carpeting with no treatment whatsoever. It's merely just the compressed air that spins out of this tip. That was just straight air. So literally it breaks up the dirt and gets rid of it. Now let's try some water. Clearly the air with the water does a better job. I did not even use a single chemical on that. To me, that is pretty amazing and makes for a very compelling argument as to the effectiveness of this tool. So let me pre-treat this area with my super degreaser. That right there was my old school way of cleaning carpet and upholstery on the interior of cars. You can see that it's still very effective, and that's why I recommend a lot of you guys that are just starting out, this is how you can start out on a true shoestring budget. So that was my old school way of doing carpeting, and it's still very effective. Now, one of the questions might be going through your head is, how wet is this carpet? Well, it's pretty wet. So what I do though is I will mop this up with a microfiber. Then I can take my gun and set it to air only, and I can literally kind of fluff dry this area and help speed up the drying process. I got a Target, it's OXO. You can get that
Now this would be more of a little kind of a detailing brush. It's safe for virtually anything, leather, carpeting. This one from Mother's I recommend for the more aggressive jobs because it does have a thicker, shorter, more aggressive bristle to it. This brush is really good because it gives you leverage, and I really like it for the smaller, tighter areas where I really want some leverage with that handle. This one is even more for even tighter areas than this one because of the width of it. And so you might think this is overkill, but trust me, like any mechanic will tell you, the right tool for the right moment can make or break your world and just make your life that much simpler. And I'm going to take my Mother's scrub brush and I will scrub this to break up the dirt as much as possible. You can already see the dog hair that's coming off of this, okay? Now I'm going to pre-vacuum. So I'm going to go straight to my super degreaser. I'm just going to spray it until I know that I have complete coverage. The rule is repeat applications are always better than you thinking that you're going to get everything in just one go. Now the old school method, this is where I would simply take a scrub brush, a microfiber, and mop it up. And plenty of dirt obviously comes up, okay? And then I would just rinse and repeat. And the more times I do this, the less I need to spray on it each time. So I just keep doing this until I have desired results. Once again, this is detailing on a shoestring budget, and it will get you very far. Now we've got the Tornador gun. And there we have the final product. So you be the judge. Now you can see obviously right there is where the heel of the driver's foot is. That carpet looks clean. My customer would be wowed by that. I am so glad you stopped by for today's video. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If not, tell me why in the comments below. Now, if you want more tips and tricks from my professional world of auto detailing, then subscribe to the channel. And if you hit the bell icon once you subscribe, I promise I will have YouTube personally send you an alert every time I upload a new video. Sound like a deal? Alrighty then, I will see you in the next video.
There was once a day that I would pray for.